Hello students, how are you all? Today we will start a new topic, that is class Amphibia. Okay, in this topic we will study about characteristics of those animals that belongs to class Amphibia. Okay, let's start. Amphibians that belongs to class Amphibia. Okay, they can survive on the land and they can survive into the water. It is main characteristics of amphibians. Okay, example frog, hyena, buffalo. Okay, they can live on the land and into the water. Okay, second characteristics is that they are found in a warm environment. Okay, clear? Their body is divided into head and trunk. If anybody asks from your side which type of body amphibians have, then you can say that amphibians body is divided into two regions. Okay, one head and second is trunk. Okay, some amphibians have tails in their body and some amphibians do not have tails in their body. Okay, तो हम कह सकते हैं बेटा कि the tail may or may not be present in case of amphibians. Okay, next character, the skin is smooth and rough without any scale. Okay, their skin is smooth and rough without any kind of scale. Okay, but some amphibians have glands. ठीक है, due to presence of oil glands their skin becomes moist. ठीक है, ये भी आपको ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है, बाकी मेनली क्या होता है बेटा, जो amphibians होते हैं they do not have glands. Okay, but some amphibians have glands and due to presence of glands their skin becomes moist. Okay, you should know that. And I have told you they have smooth and rough skin. Okay, without any kind of scales. Okay, they have two pairs of limbs for locomotion. I have told you Amphibia class belongs to tetrapods. Okay, and in case of tetrapods I have told you fins are present for locomotion. In case of aquatic animals and limbs are present for locomotion. Okay, जैसे हम बात करें, हम भी tetrapods के अंदर आते हैं बेटा. ठीक है, we also have limbs. Okay, two pairs of limbs, one pair forelimbs. Okay, and one pair hind limbs. We show locomotion by the help of hind limbs. Okay, तो बेटा amphibians do not have fins for locomotion, but they have two pairs of limbs for locomotion for jumping. Okay, समझे. Next character is that amphibians show respiration by the help of lungs and gills. Okay, when they survive on the land then they show respiration by the help of lungs. Okay, and when they survive into the water then some amphibians show respiration by the help of gills and some amphibians show respiration by the help of skin. Okay, next character is that they have three chambered heart. I have told you beta there are different categories of heart on the basis of chambers. Okay, some animals have two chambered heart, some animals have three chambered heart, some animals have four chambered heart. Okay, in case of amphibians three chambered heart is present. Okay, and this three chambered heart consists two auricles and one ventricles. Okay, combinedly these two auricles or atrium and one ventrium, okay, or ventricles, combinedly they form three chambered heart. Okay, next character is that they have a special kind of excretory organs that is known as mesonephric kidney. Okay, and by the help of this mesonephric kidney these amphibians release body waste materials from outside the body. Okay, on the basis of nitrogenous waste. Okay, there are three categories of amphibians. Okay, some amphibians are aminotelic, some amphibians are ureotelic, some amphibians are uricotelic. Okay, aminotelic are those amphibians that release ammonia as a nitrogenous waste. Okay, from outside the body. Okay, and ureotelic amphibians release urea as a waste materials. Okay, and uricotelic amphibians release uric acid as a waste materials. Okay, but mainly you should know that there are two categories of amphibians on the basis of nitrogenous waste. Okay, aminotelic and ureotelic. Okay, some amphibians are uricotelic. Okay, you should know that they have compound eyes. Okay, and the eyes have eyelids. Okay, पलके रखते हैं ये, समझे? Okay, अब आपको ध्यान देना है, they have tympanum membrane. Okay, and this tympanum membrane represent the ear. You should know that what is tympanum. Tympanum is a oval shaped membrane that occurs behind the eyes. Okay, समझ रहे हैं? ठीक है, और फिर ये जो tympanum membrane है बेटा, it represents the ear. Okay, next character, alimentary canal, urinary tract and respiratory tract. First of all, you should know that what the meaning of your tract. Tract means tubes. Okay, these internal tube-like structures like alimentary canal in which food is digested. Okay, urinary tract that release waste materials. Okay, respiratory tract that will help for respiration. Okay, these all tracts or internal tube-like structures, alimentary canal, urinary tract and respiratory tracts opens into a common chamber that is called cloaca. What the name of this common chamber? Cloaca. And cloaca opens outside the body. Clear? ये आपको जानना है, ये भी एक मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. जैसे बताया ना कि जो एम्फीबियंस होते हैं they can survive on the land and into the water. ठीक है, तो ये भी इनकी एक मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है कि इनके जो इंटरनल ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होती हैं जैसे एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट एंड रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट्स. ओके, they all opens into a common chamber that is called cloaca and cloaca opens outside the body. Okay, अब हम बात करते हैं रिप्रोडक्शन की. ठीक है, in case of amphibians, sexes separates. It means they are unisexual organisms. Okay, in case of unisexual organisms, male and female sex organs separates. Okay, male consists male sex organs and female consists female sex organs. Okay, in these animals, sexual reproduction process takes place and they show axonal fertilization. Okay, or in case of axonal fertilization, male and female gametes. Okay, male frog, जैसे एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्रॉग का आपको मैं, मेल फ्रॉग रिलीजेज इट्स स्पर्म इनटू द वाटर एंड फीमेल फ्रॉग आल्सो रिलीज इट्स एग इनटू द वाटर. द फ्यूजन ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट्स टेक्स प्लेस इनटू द वाटर. हियर वाटर acts as a mediator. Okay, that provides help for fusion male and female gametes. Okay, तो क्या होगा बेटा, जाइगोट बन जाता है. ठीक है, फिर हम बात करें बेटा कि इनके अंदर जो एग होता है, ठीक है, they are oviparous animals. Okay, and you know very well about oviparous animals. Oviparous are those animals that lay egg. ओके, समझ रहे हो आप इस चीज को? तो ये एग बाहर निकाल रहा है इनटू दी वाटर. अब क्या होता है बेटा कि इनके अंदर ना एक प्रोसेस होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट. ओके, एंड यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट. When egg is hatched, then first of all larva comes out. Okay, and after a period larva develops into the adult. Okay, it is called indirect development. Okay, for example in case of frog, okay, when egg is hatched then larva comes out and the name of this larva is this larva develops into the tadpole stage. Okay, and tadpole develops into the adult stage. ठीक है, तो जो पीरियड होता है ना लार्वा स्टेज टू एडल्ट स्टेज. ओके, this period is known as metamorphosis, in which larva develops into the adult. Okay, तो आप समझे बेटा कि ये भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती हैं एम्फीबियंस की जो बिलोंग करते हैं क्लास एम्फीबिया से. ओके, पहले कंपैरिजन है कि सेक्सेस separates in these amphibians, they show sexual productions. Okay, but in these amphibians external fertilization process takes place, and during external fertilization I have told you male and female gametes fusion takes place inside water. Okay, फिर क्या होता है, they are oviparous. ठीक है, they lay eggs and they show indirect development. There are some features of amphibians. Okay, अब हम पढ़ेंगे बेटा क्लास रेप्टिलिया के बारे में. ठीक है, our topic is Reptilia. In this topic we'll study about characteristics of those animals that belongs to class Reptilia. Okay, first of all you should know that animals that belongs to class Reptilia, they show a spiral or crawling mode of locomotion. Okay, means animals जो बिलोंग करते हैं बेटा क्लास रेप्टिलिया से, ठीक है, वो रेंकर चलते हैं. ठीक है, और जितने भी रेंकर चलने वाले एनिमल्स होते हैं दे बिलोंग टू क्लास रेप्टिलिया. ओके, अब हम पढ़ते हैं बेटा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दीज एनिमल्स दैट बिलोंग्स टू क्लास रेप्टिलिया. फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज animals that belongs to class Reptilia, they show crawling mode of locomotion. अभी जस्ट पता है बेटा मैंने आपको कि वो एनिमल्स जो रेंग कर चलते हैं they belong to class Reptilia. Okay, second character, their body is covered by dry and cornified skin. Okay, right now you should know that what is cornified skin. Cornified skin is very thick skin. Okay, that consists dead spermous epithelium cells. Okay, and this cornified skin protects the body of reptiles. Okay, their skin is dry and rough without any gland. You should know that there is no gland occurs on the skin of reptiles, but some reptiles consist small glands. Okay, और आप पता होना चाहिए बेटा 80 to 90% जो reptiles होते हैं they do not have glands on their skin. That's why their skin is dry and rough. Okay, reptiles are cold-blooded animals. You should know that cold-blooded animals are also known as poikilothermic animals. Okay, और जो बेटा poikilothermic animals होते हैं they do not maintain their body temperature. Okay, they change their body temperature according to environment. That's why they are known as cold-blooded animals. Okay, their body is divided into 4 regions: head, neck, trunk and tails. Okay, reptiles have 2 pairs of limbs. Okay, and some reptiles do not have any kind of limbs like snake. Okay, जो reptiles limbs रखते हैं ना, then by the help of limbs they show locomotion. Okay, some reptiles have 3-chambered heart. Okay, and some reptiles have 4-chambered heart. ठीक है, लेकिन mainly reptiles consist 3-chambered heart. Okay, and in case of 3-chambered heart, 2 atrium and 1 ventrium. Okay, and combinedly these 2 atrium and ventrium make 3-chambered heart. यहाँ पर एक exception है. In case of crocodile consists 4-chambered heart. Okay, in 4-chambered heart बता चुका आपको मैं 2 atrium और 2 ventrium present होते हैं. ठीक है, फिर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि they do not have external ear openings. In case of reptiles there is no external ear openings. ठीक है, फिर हम बात करें कि इनके अंदर जो टिम्पेनम मेम्ब्रेन होती है, टिम्पेनम ओवल शेप्ड मेम्ब्रेन, it represents ear. Okay, फिर reptile consists nervous system and their nervous system consists 12 cranial nerves. Okay, on the basis of excretion, ठीक है, they have excretory organs. ठीक है, and by the help of these excretory organs they release nitrogenous waste from outside the body. Okay, you should know that on the basis of nitrogenous waste there are 3 categories of reptiles. Some reptiles are amniotic, some reptiles are ureotic, and some reptiles are यूरिकोटैलिक, ओके। जो अमीनोटैलिक होते हैं दे रिलीज नाइट्रोजिनस वेस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अमोनिया। यूरिकोटैलिक एनिमल्स रिलीज यूरिक एसिड एंड यूरियोटैलिक एनिमल्स रिलीज यूरिया, ओके। तो आप ध्यान दें, अमीनोटैलिक रिलीज क्या कर रहे हैं, अमोनिया। यूरिकोटैलिक रिलीज क्या कर रहे हैं, यूरिक एसिड। यूरोटैलिक रिलीज यूरिया, ओके। तो हम बात कर रहे हैं स्नेक एंड लिजर्ड शेड देयर स्केल्स एज स्किन कास्ट, ठीक है, कि जो स्किन जो स्केल्स हैं इनके, ठीक है, स्किन के ऊपर लिजर्ड और स्नेक के अंदर, ठीक है, ये उसको उतारते रहते हैं, ठीक है, एज ए स्किन कास्ट, ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं। तो हम बात कर रहे हैं ना रिप्रोडक्शन की, ठीक है। जो रेप्टाइल्स होते हैं, रेप्टाइल्स आर यूनिसेक्सुअल ऑर्गेनिजम्स। Unisexual organisms. In case of unisexual organisms, sexes, septates. Male consist male sex organ, female consist female sex organs. Okay. In case of reptiles, internal fertilization takes place, means the fusion of male and female gametes takes place inside female's body, ठीक है। तो आप समझे इस चीज को। अब बात चल रही बेटा कि ये जो रेप्टाइल्स होते हैं they are oviparous, they are oviparous because they lay eggs, okay, and they show direct development, okay. When they lay eggs, then egg is hatched and young one comes out from the egg, okay. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि they show direct development, okay. ये कुछ कैरेक्टर्स थे बेटा क्लास रेप्टेलिया के, okay. अब नेक्स्ट पढ़ना बेटा क्लास एविस के बारे में। Our topic is Aves, okay. All birds belongs to class Aves, okay. And in this topic we'll study about characteristics of birds, okay. First characteristics is that they have feathers for flying, except some birds like ostrich, okay. They have wings, but by the help of these wings they do not fly, ठीक है, उड़ते हैं ये लेकिन एक लंबी दूरी तय नहीं कर पाते हैं, ठीक है। तो एक मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है of those animals that belongs to class Aves. They have feathers for flying, okay. They have beak. The forelimbs are modified into wings, okay. I have told you wings are tetrapods, okay. They have forelimbs and hind limbs, okay. कि जो इनके two forelimbs होते हैं, forelimbs are modified into wings, okay. And they have one pair of hind limbs, okay. And the hind limbs have scales and they are modified for walking and for swimming, okay. The skin is dry without any kind of glands, okay. But for your kind information, they have oil glands at the base of tail, ठीक है, ये पता होना आपको चाहिए, ठीक है, कि इनके पास जो oil glands होती है it is located at the base of tail, okay. And oil glands secretes oil, clear. They have bony endoskeleton system. Their endoskeleton system is made up of by bones, okay. They have long bones and these bones are hollow with air cavities. ये भी एक मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है बेटा इन एनिमल्स का, ठीक है, जो एविस क्लास से बिलोंग करते हैं, ठीक है। तो पता चला बेटा मेनली जो बर्ड्स हैं, बर्ड्स belongs to class Aves, okay. They have long bones, okay, and these bones are hollow with air cavities, ठीक है। The digestive tract of bird has additional chambers and these additional chambers are known as crop and gizzard, ठीक है, कि जो भी ये खाते हैं, ठीक है, उसका जो फूड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, लार्ज फूड पार्टिकल्स, ठीक है, उनका टूटना किसके अंदर होता है बेटा, क्रॉप एंड गिजार्ड्स के अंदर, ठीक है। तो इनके अंदर एडिशनल चैम्बर्स होते हैं इन डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट एंड नेम ऑफ दीज एडिशनल चैम्बर्स आर क्रॉप एंड गिजार्ड, ठीक है। मतलब एक चक्की वाला काम करते हैं, ठीक है, चक्की होती है ना पीसने वाली, ठीक है, तो गिजार्ड काम करती है एज ए कि मतलब फूड को पीसने वाला, ठीक है। फिर क्या कि जो ये बर्ड्स होते हैं they have four chambered heart, okay, and I have told you in case of four chambered heart, two atrium and two ventrium occurs, okay, and combinedly atrium and ventrium form four chambered heart, okay, and they are warm blooded animals. For your kind information, warm blooded animals are those animals that maintain their body temperature, okay, and they show respiration by the help of lungs, okay, and air sacs or alveoli are connected to the lungs, ठीक है। जैसे हम बात करते हैं ना ह्यूमंस की, तो ह्यूमंस के जो लंग्स होते हैं they consist alveoli or air sac in which gases are exchanged, okay, but in case of birds you should also know that air sacs are connected with lungs, okay। अब हम बात कर रहे हैं बेटा रिप्रोडक्शन की, ठीक है, कि जो बर्ड्स हैं वो किस तरह का रिप्रोडक्शन शो करते हैं, ठीक है, और उनके अंदर सेक्स कैसे होता है, ठीक है। In case of birds, sexes separates. It means they are unisexual organisms, okay, कि both male and female sex organs separates. Male consist male sex organs and female consist female sex organs, okay। और फिर अब क्या है ना, they show sexual reproduction, okay, and in these animals internal fertilization process takes place. Internal fertilization takes place in birds, okay, they are oviparous, they lay eggs, okay, and in these animals direct development takes place, okay, and for your kind information, in case of direct development, when egg is hatched then larva comes out, okay, larva नहीं मतलब so not larva, when egg is hatched then young one comes out, okay, this type of development is known as direct development, ठीक है, कि इनका जब egg hatched होता है तो larva नहीं बनता है, सीधा young one बाहर निकल के आता है, ठीक है। तो ये कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स थे बर्ड्स की जो बिलोंग करती है क्लास एविस से, ठीक है। अब हम पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट बेटा क्लास मैमिलिया। Our topic is class Mammalia, okay, it is last topic in this topic will study about characteristics of those animals that belongs to class Mammalia, okay. You should know that mammals that belongs to class Mammalia, they occur in different regions, okay. Some mammals are found in polar regions like polar bear, polar wolf, polar ox, okay, and some mammals are found in a desert, in a forest, in grassland, okay, and some mammals live in water, okay. That's why we can say that mammals are found in different regions along with their natural habitats, okay. Some mammals can fly like bat, and some mammals live in water like a blue whale, okay. Mammals have one main characteristics, okay. Each and every mammal consists mammary glands, okay, and for your kind information, okay, mammals give birth to young ones, okay, and after giving birth to young ones, these mammary glands start to secrete milk, okay, ठीक है। Mammals have two pairs of limbs. I have told you mammals belong to tetrapods, okay, and tetrapods consist of two pairs of limbs, one pair forelimbs and one pair hind limbs, okay। जैसे हमारे पास जो hands है बेटा, ठीक है, ये क्या है forelimbs, one pair forelimbs, ठीक है, और one pair hind limbs, legs जो होती हैं, by the help of these limbs we show locomotion, okay। तो बात कर रही है कि जो mammals होते हैं they have two pairs of limbs and by the help of these limbs they show walking, flying, running, climbing, etc., okay। Mammals have hairy skin, okay, दे हैव एक्सटर्नल ईयर्स और ईयर पिन्ना, ठीक है, कि जो ऑडिटरी ऑर्गन्स होता है बेटा ईयर वो प्रेजेंट होता है मैमल्स के अंदर, ठीक है। दे हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ लाइक कैनाइन टीथ, इंसिजर टीथ, मोलर टीथ, प्रीमोलर टीथ, ओके। तो ये टाइप्स हैं टीथ की एंड सिंपली वी कैन से दैट मैमल्स हैव different types of teeth in a jar, okay। फिर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि mammals have four chambered heart, okay, and four chambered heart consist two atrium and two ventrium. They are warm-blooded animals, okay। Mammals maintain their internal body temperature. That's why we can say that mammals are warm-blooded animals, okay। Mammals show respiration by the help of lungs, okay, and I have told you in case of lungs air cavities are present, air cavities simply because that air sacs or alveoli, ठीक है, कि जो lungs होता है बेटा they consist alveoli। हम बात कर रहे हैं ह्यूमंस के केस में, ठीक है। तो आप देख रहे हैं क्या विंड पाइप ट्रैकिया, ट्रैकिया separates into bronchus, bronchus separates into branchioles, branchioles consist 70 crore alveoli or air sac in which air gases are exchanged, ठीक है, समझना आप इस चीज को। तो जो रेस्पिरेशन होता है मैमल्स के अंदर इट टेक्स प्लेस बाय द हेल्प ऑफ लंग्स, ओके। फिर हम बात कर रहे हैं एक्सक्रेशन की, ठीक है। जो मैमल्स हैं, मैमल्स हैव वेल डेवलप्ड एक्सक्रेटरी ऑर्गन्स लाइक किडनी, ओके, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नाइट्रोजीनियस वेस्ट mammals are example of ureotelic animals. They release urea as a waste materials, as a nitrogenous waste materials from outside the body. That's why we can say that mostly mammals belongs to ureotelic organisms, ठीक है, ये ureotelic organisms होते हैं, ओके। फिर हम बात करें बेटा सेक्स की, ठीक है, कि इन मैमल्स के अंदर जो सेक्स है, ठीक है, वो सेपरेट होता है, ठीक है। मीन्स मैमल्स आर यूनिसेक्सुअल ऑर्गेनिजम्स, ओके। यूनिसेक्सुअल ऑर्गेनिजम्स, sexes separates, they show sexual reproduction, they show internal fertilization, okay, and in case of internal fertilization the fusion of male and female gametes takes place inside female's body, okay। अब हम बात करते हैं बेटा डेवलपमेंट की, ठीक है। इनके केस में क्या होता है बेटा कि जो मैमल्स होते हैं, मैमल्स डायरेक्टली गिव बर्थ टू यंग वंस, ठीक है। दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज viviparous, ठीक है, एंड दे शो डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट, क्या शो करते हैं बताइए, डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट शो करते हैं, ठीक है। हाँ, दो मैमल्स हैं, इकाइडेना एंड प्लेटिपस, ठीक है, दे ले एग्स, ये एक्सेप्शनल केसेस होते हैं, ठीक है। वैसे जो मैमल्स होते हैं बेटा ऑल मैमल्स बिलोंग्स, ऑल मैमल्स आर विविपेरस, ठीक है, समझे आप इस चीज को। लेकिन दो को आप हैं इकाइडेना और प्लेटिपस को, ठीक है, दे आर ओविपेरस, ठीक है। लेकिन ये है क्या बेटा मैमल्स हैं, दे बिलोंग्स टू मैमलिया क्लास, ठीक है। तो आप सिंपली समझ लें कि जो मैमल्स हैं यूनिसेक्सुअल ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं, सेक्सेस सेपरेट होते हैं, दे शो सेक्सुअल प्रोडक्शंस, ओके, एंड इन दीज एनिमल्स इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस, they are viviparous and they show direct development, okay। अब ये थोड़ा चैप्टर अपना कंप्लीट हो चुका है, ठीक।